Hey guys, today I will show you how to install Mongo DB on your Windows machine. It will take a few minutes to complete the process. First of all, we will visit mongodb.com. From the product menu, go to the Community Edition tab and click on the Community Server. Click on the download button to download the application. Here is our downloaded file. Now click on it to install MongoDB. We have successfully installed MongoDB. Now we need to go to the bin directory inside the MongoDB installation directory. Open command prompt from this directory. Mongo.exe is our MongoDB server and Mongo.exe is our Mongo shell. Now we will run our Mongo server. Great! Our server has started successfully. Now we will run another command prompt from the same directory to run the Mongo shell. Congratulations, we have successfully started our Mongo shell. Now let's try to run the Mongo server from other directories. I have opened my command prompt from my user directory and trying to run the Mongo server. We can see that mongod.exe not recognized as an internal or external command. So we need to add the bin directory to our system variables. For that, open System Properties and click on the Environment Variables button. Click on the path under the System Variables and click on Edit. Now copy the bin directory path. Click on Edit and paste the link. Now run the MongoDB server again. And finally, we can run our MongoDB server from any directories. Now I will show you how you can create a database, collection and document via the Mongo shell. In the MongoDB, a collection is like a table and a document is like a row or a record. Well, now we will run the MongoDB shell again. First, we will create our database. I am creating a database named MyDB. We can see our database list by typing show DBs. Here we don't see our MyDB database because we need to insert at least one collection to see our new database. Okay. To create a collection, we need to use our database first. We have selected our database. Now we will create our collection by typing db.createCollection function. And pass the collection name. Here I am creating the users collection. Even we can see our collection by typing show collections. Now we will insert our first document or record in users collection. db.thecollectionname.insert function and document object. I am passing the name and the email. Okay, we have created our first document. Now create another document. We have created two documents. Now we will select our documents by typing db.users.find function. It will select all the documents from users collection. Now we will update our document. To update a document, we need to type db.users.update function. I will pass two parameters. Here I am updating where the name is equal to John Doe and the value is Jerry Doe. Well, select the documents again. And see, John Doe is now Jerry Doe. Now we will delete the document. To delete a document, we need to type db.users.remove function. And we will pass a parameter where name is equal to James Smith. Select all documents again. We have deleted James Smith from our documents. Hopefully you guys now understand MongoDB installation process and simple CRUD operation. If you face any problem with this task, then put your query in the comment section. I will try to help you. And if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.